Hello, Elaine from Elaine's Creations here, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this card with the hand-drawn blooms bundle from the Artistry Blooms suite. So here's the card. It uses the die from the hand-drawn blooms bundle. This is the bundle. So it's got this beautiful bundle of flowers and sentiments. And then the die has this really beautiful die right here with all these flowers that I'm gonna show you right here. So I colored it, so I'm gonna show you how I colored it, but first I'm gonna show you this beautiful designer series paper. It's got an ombre on one side and a design on the other side, but I just really love the ombre side. So I'm going to adhere this down to some balmy blue cardstock. Try to aim for the middle here. And then I'm just going to set that aside and just bring in some scrap paper. And I'm going to color this using a water painter, one of our new water painters, and just some inks. So I'm going to start with Bermuda Bay. And I'm going to first, this is just Whisper White. So I'm gonna get the area wet first, but I can't get it wet over and over again. So you can only get it wet once or twice, unlike watercolor paper or shimmery white paper. So I'm just gonna get it wet once, and then I'm gonna come back with some more ink and make it a little bit darker in some areas. Maybe a little bit darker, a little more ink. Oop, got this flower here. Okay, so that's Bermuda Bay. And then got some Granny Apple Green. So I'm gonna just clean off the brush by just kind of squeezing and wiping it, making sure all the ink is off. So all this down here is Granny Apple Green. So I'm just gonna get that wet. And just grab some Granny Apple Green. Whoop. It's kind of fun. You can be a little bit sloppy and it'll still look great. I don't know why I keep doing that. Okay, and then over here there's some Granny Apple Green. And you can do whatever colors you'd like. Some Granny Apple Green right here. Right here. And right here. Nice and relaxing. You can probably take the green all the way down, huh? Yeah. All right, some green up here. And over here. And over here. All right, clean off my brush. Done with the green. Now I've got some crushed curry. And we're gonna do this flower up here. So I'm gonna just get that wet, tiny bit. Just start here. Okay, we're gonna do this flower over here. So I'm gonna get that wet. Just tiny, tiny bit. Start in the middle. And then move to the outside with the lighter. And then maybe get a little bit more. Let me take a look at that. Maybe add a little bit more. Okay, so that's all for the crushed curry. Now we can add some rich raspberry to finish it off. So lots of rich raspberry. So we've got some over here for all of these. Paint those. And then this big rose right here. This is kind of the star of the show, I think, this rose. Woo, dark. But we want attention to be drawn to this rose, so I think making the middle dark is fine. So let's lift this up. Yeah, that looks nice. Very nice. All right, and these two flowers up here are also rich razzleberry, so start in the middle again. Get some color all on them, and then maybe add some more dark to the middle. Not as much as the rose. Dark here. Okay, and then there's some rich razzleberry over here. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so now we just stamp this sentiment in Bermuda Bay. Wishing you a happy birthday. Yay. Okay, I can put that away. So now I'm just going to use some of this adhesive on the back of the banner. Somehow I've got some adhesive on the top there. Uh-oh. I don't know who that is. I'm gonna put some glue on here. So let's see. I don't know how to pause this, but I'll be right back.